Hey dreamers! Ever wondered what makes a beautiful destination potentially deadly? Today on Dream Destination Guide, we're exploring places that might take your breath away, quite literally. From extreme heights to unpredictable waters, these are the 10 most dangerous tourist spots you need to think twice about in 2025. But don't click away just yet, we'll also show you how to visit them safely, if you dare. Before you plan your next adventure, remember this: even the most beautiful places on Earth can hide deadly secrets. I'm about to show you popular destinations that attract millions of tourists, but also carry serious risks. And trust me, number 3 on this list. It shocked even our team at Dream Destination Guide. Let's start with the world's highest graveyard, Mount Everest Base Camp. Sure, the views are breathtaking, but at 5,364 meters, that might be literal. Every year, dozens of adventurers underestimate the deadly combination of altitude sickness, extreme cold, and unpredictable weather. Here's what most travel guides won't tell you: even the fittest athletes can succumb to cerebral edema above 4,000 meters. But if you're still dreaming of this bucket list adventure, stick around for our essential survival tips. From the world's highest peaks to its lowest and hottest point. Welcome to Death Valley, where your car's GPS might be your worst enemy. In 2024, rescue teams responded to over 100 emergencies caused by tourists trusting their navigation systems on abandoned mining roads. But here's the real killer: ground temperatures can literally melt your shoes. Pause the video and comment below if you've ever experienced extreme desert heat. While Rio's favelas offer an unparalleled glimpse into culture, community, and charm, safety concerns cannot be overlooked. These vibrant neighborhoods, often buzzing with music, art, and local life, are a testament to resilience and creativity. Organized tours may promise a safe experience, offering curated routes and local guides to immerse visitors in the authentic essence of the favelas. However, the unpredictable nature of territorial disputes poses risks, even for seasoned locals. In 2024 alone, over 20 incidents involving tourists were reported daily, highlighting the importance of vigilance and preparation when venturing into these areas. Despite the challenges, responsible and respectful visit can contribute positively to the community by supporting local businesses, artists, and initiatives that aim to uplift the neighborhood. Beyond the risks, the favelas offer a unique opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of Rio's vibrant culture, its complexities, and the enduring spirit of its people. With the right precautions, your journey into this lesser-explored side of Rio can become a meaningful and memorable experience. Nature's most spectacular light show isn't the Northern Lights, it's an active volcano. And Iceland has plenty of them. Right now in 2025, these geological titans are more active than ever. Think twice before ignoring those safety barriers for that perfect Instagram shot. The ground beneath your feet might be more unstable than your social media fame. The Great Barrier Reef, stunning, bucket list worthy, and surprisingly treacherous. While its vibrant coral reefs and crystal-clear waters attract millions of adventurers every year, they also conceal a host of hidden dangers that demand caution and respect. Beyond the obvious risks of deep-water diving and the unpredictable ocean currents, there's something far more sinister lurking beneath the surface. The reef is home to some of the ocean's deadliest inhabitants. Box jellyfish, with their nearly invisible tentacles, deliver venom so potent it can cause heart failure in minutes. Blue-ringed octopuses, small enough to fit in your palm, carry a toxin capable of paralyzing a human within seconds. And then there are sea snakes, often mistaken for eels, whose venom is among the most potent in the animal kingdom. A single misstep or careless move can turn a dream vacation into a life-threatening ordeal. Even snorkeling close to the reef's edges, where sharp coral and hidden marine creatures reside, can result in injuries or encounters with these dangerous species. Despite these risks, the Great Barrier Reef remains one of the most awe-inspiring wonders of the natural world. With proper preparation, awareness, and guidance from experienced professionals, travelers can safely explore this underwater paradise. Just remember, while its beauty is mesmerizing, the reef demands your respect. It's as wild as it is wonderful. Venice isn't just sinking, it's teetering on the edge of becoming a cautionary tale. Once a symbol of romance and timeless beauty, the city now grapples with an uncertain future as rising water levels and crumbling infrastructure take their toll. Beneath the charm of its picturesque canals and historic buildings lies a growing threat. Dream Destination Guide's research reveals that in 2024, over 85% of Venice experienced severe flooding, a stark reminder of how climate change and neglect are reshaping this iconic destination. Those charming narrow alleys that beckon with mystery and allure. During acqua alta, high water, they transform into treacherous mazes, with rising waters cutting off pathways and submerging entire squares. The danger isn't just physical. Unpredictable flooding has also led to stranded travelers, damaged belongings, and rising safety concerns. Yet, despite these challenges, Venice remains an irreplaceable jewel. Visitors are encouraged to approach it with care, not only by preparing for the realities of its changing landscape but also by supporting sustainable tourism efforts that aim to preserve its heritage. By understanding the risks and respecting its fragility, travelers can still uncover the magic of Venice, even as it faces an uncertain tomorrow. The Dead Sea might be the world's biggest natural spa, but it's also one of the most deceptively dangerous. That famous floating experience. It can turn fatal in seconds if you don't follow the rules. The water's hypersalinity doesn't just make you float, it can cause severe irritation to your eyes and any open wounds, leaving you in pain and disoriented. Ingesting even a small amount of this mineral-laden water can lead to choking or severe health complications. And those trendy floating photos? They've led to numerous drowning incidents, often when overconfident swimmers lose their balance or accidentally inhale the dense, salty water. Add the region's extreme heat and the risk of dehydration, and it's clear this natural wonder requires more caution than most travelers expect. Enjoy the experience, but remember, this spa comes with serious rules for a reason. The world's largest rainforest isn't just battling deforestation, it's concealing deadly surprises for unprepared tourists. This vast, untamed wilderness is home to uncontacted tribes whose territories are off-limits for a reason, and poisonous frogs, smaller than your thumbnail, that can deliver a lethal dose with a single touch. Every step through its dense foliage could be your last if you're not careful. Adding to the danger are newly discovered species of parasites that medical science hasn't even named yet, some of which could carry unknown diseases. And let's not forget the lurking predators, from jaguars to caimans, and rivers teeming with electric eels and piranhas. The Amazon is breathtakingly beautiful, but it demands both respect and extreme caution from those who dare to explore its secrets. Before you think we're trying to scare you away from these incredible places, here's the truth. With proper preparation and respect for nature's power, each of these destinations can offer unforgettable experiences. At Dream Destination Guide, we believe in smart travel, not fear. Hit that subscribe button for more honest travel insights, and don't forget to comment below with which of these destinations you'd dare to visit. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring.